Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay later on DoorDash. So let's get into the video. So open up DoorDash and then log into your DoorDash account. So once I've logged into your DoorDash account here, so simply make an order. Just make any order that you wish to do and then make it and then add it to your cart, and then let's go to the checkout option here. That's where we are interested on now. So I'm just going to add some item to my cart and then go to my cart so I can proceed with the checkout option to show the pay later option. So when you use this, hit on continue. Okay, and then that's my delivery details. That's fine. I'm going to hit on this option here, so payment. So click on this payment option here. Simply select the payment option, and then when you get to payment option here, under payment methods, select the afterpay option. So if you want to pay later, so you can use any of these buy now pay later option, which includes Klarna, Afterpay. In my case, I have Klarna, Afterpay. So what I'm going to do is simply select Afterpay, and then all you have to do is now just log into my Afterpay account and then authorize it. All right, so it's authorize it, and then that's it. So I can use complete this transaction using Afterpay. In that way I will be able to pay later on DoorDash, and this option varies depending on the region you are in, depends on your market. So you might have different option like Klarna, but I have my Afterpay here, so any of these buy now pay later option is fine. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.